barbell deep squats. So this exercise, you first and foremost have to know how to do a deep squat without any pain and discomfort. And when you are able to do it with your body weight, you will also be very aware of which stance is the best for you to get low. Everybody is structured differently in the hips. For some people, they can do a more narrow stance and get really low. Some people, they have to go slightly wider. So you have to experiment with the stance. And if you're looking at my legs, you're probably wondering, my feet and knee? Yes, they will always track in the same direction. They point in the same direction. But that is the rule number one when you're doing a deep squat. I will do this now with a barbell, and nothing's going to change. I will still have the same form when I squat. I'm going to be able to look straight, still have a neutral neck. My feet are flat on the floor. Only difference, I will have that barbell on the shelf of my shoulder. Now that brings me to the next point. You should have watched and mastered my barbell back squat. The barbell back squat has a very special place or special purpose. You need to have this barbell resting on the shelf of your shoulder, not at the base of your neck. So I encourage you to watch my barbell back squat video if you haven't mastered that yet. So let's begin. So I will place my hands in the right place where it allows me to bring this barbell to the shelf of my shoulders. I come up, step out of the rack. Checkpoint, my wrist will be straight. You won't be able to see it, but it's okay. I'm going to inhale as I squat. The first thing that moves is my hips slightly back. Knees bend, go as low as I can, as I showed you. And then I'm up. Wrist straight again, drawing my navel and core. Hips slightly move back. Down. Thrust up. And I will rack this. There are many variations of back squats, including front squats. You will find the one that works best for you. Enjoy the exercise.